Children, hope you all are safe and good. Let's start our class with a small prayer. Close your eyes. Dear God, bless us in our online class today. Help us to grow in love and kindness, more like you every day. Amen. Okay, children, today we are going to start with Unit 3. Okay, the name of the lesson is Educational Rights. Before that, we shall recall what all we studied in our previous class. Previous class we studied unit 2, that is agriculture. So what does agriculture means? Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising livestock. Okay, so agriculture is a very important necessity for the human beings, and our country's development is depend upon the agriculture. Okay, then we studied about farmers. So who is a farmer? A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. Okay, and India is a land of farmers, and Indian farmers are the backbone of the Indian economy. Okay, then we studied about several methods of farming, types of farming. So we studied 4 types of farming. So what are they? Subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, mixed farming. Okay, so these are the 4 types of farming we studied. Then we studied about irrigation and its types. So what does irrigation means? Irrigation is nothing but supplying of water to land or crops for the production purpose of agriculture protection. Okay, so irrigation means supplying water to plants and crops for the purpose of agriculture. Okay, then we studied 4 types of irrigation. What are they? Well irrigation, canal irrigation, sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation. So these are the 4 types of irrigation we studied. Okay, then we studied about important crops of Tamil Nadu. So what are the important crops of Tamil Nadu? Rice, maize, jowar, bajra, ragi and pulses are the important crops of Tamil Nadu. And so what is the cash crops of Tamil Nadu? Cotton, sugarcane, oilseed, coffee, tea, rubber, cotton, gingerly and chilli are the cash crops of Tamil Nadu. And mango and banana are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu. And flower crops, flowers grown in Tamil Nadu are jasmine, marigold and rose. So these are the crops, plants, fruits are that are cultivated in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the things we studied. And Tanjavur is called as the rice bowl of India, and Coimbatore is called as Manchester of South India. So Coimbatore is the largest cotton production district in Tamil Nadu. So it is called as Manchester of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are things we studied in the lesson agriculture. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is educational rights. Okay, so what does education means? What does education means? So education is nothing but process of learning. We learn something, we understand something, we act accordingly, we develop our knowledge, we develop our skills. So education is useful for human development. Okay, so education is important for people as well as the nation. Education is the first step for the child's development. So as a first step, what we are doing, we are taking our kids and making them join in the school for education. Okay, so first step of a kid's development is children's development is education. So education improves knowledge, skills, values and the quality of one's life. So what does education do? Education improves our knowledge, our skills, values and quality of one's life. It is also helps in overall development of a country. If in a country, if all the people are educated, what will happen? The development of the country will also be very good. So education is very important for all individual, for the development of the nation as well as the development of oneself. Okay, yes. Next, importance of education. So why we need education? So education doesn't mean that one should be literate. So education doesn't means that one should be literate. What does literate means? Able to read and write. So if one knows to read and write is not educated. One knows to read and write, is he educated? If he is having all bad habits and bad mind, no, it is more than literacy. Education helps to analyze the reason, build skills to live, know what is right and wrong, lead a moral life. So educated people man should have all these skills. So he should analyze the reason, whatever happens, whatever thing he is doing, he should analyze that and find the reason, and then he act accordingly and build skills to live. So he will build his skills, he will to do something to his life, okay, and to know what is right and what is wrong. So he will analyze which one is right and which one is wrong, and he will act accordingly and lead a moral life. He will be having good values like punctuality, okay, all these things, obedience, all these things he should have. So education doesn't mean if you know to read and write is not education. A person should have all the good qualities, so that only he is an educated person. Okay, so once again we'll read this paragraph. Importance of education. Education doesn't mean that one should be literate. It is more than literacy. It is more than literacy. படிப்பை விட பெருசு. ஓகே, ஸோ எஜுகேஷன் வந்து படிப்பு புக்கில் படித்து எழுத தெரியுது மட்டும் முக்கியம் கிடையாது. அவனோட கேரக்டர், அவனுடைய பிஹேவியர், அவனுடைய ஒரு விஷயத்துக்கும் அவன் என்ன மாதிரியான வேலை செய்கிறான், என்ன மாதிரியான அந்த விஷயத்தை பார்க்குறான், அது எல்லாமே வந்து எஜுகேஷனில் வரும். ஓகே, எஜுகேஷன் டசன்ட் மீன் தட் ஒன் ஷுட் பி லிட்ரேட், இட்ஸ் மோர் தேன் லிட்ரஸி. எஜுகேஷன் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் டு அனலைஸ் த ரீசன், build skills to live, know what is right and wrong, lead a moral life. Okay, so these are the importance of education. Okay, so this is one of the sayings of Mahatma Gandhi. So he is saying literacy in itself is no education. Literacy is not the end of education. Real education consists in drawing the best out of yourself. So what he is saying, going to school and learning and getting know to read and write is not only literacy. It is that we should bring our own thing from ourselves. That is the real education. Real education consists in drawing the best out of yourself. What is best, what you know to do the very best, that you should bring out of you should bring out your talent. That is the real education. Real education is nothing but you should bring your talent out and show world that how much talented you are. That is called as real education. So studying from the book and knowing whatever and reading by hearting and writing in the exam and getting good marks is not very important. You should bring out your talents and you should show the world that how smart, how talented you are. That is the real education. Okay, so literacy in itself is no education. Literacy is not the end of education. Real education consists in drawing the best out of yourself. So this is the saying of Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, yes. Next, education helps. So what education does? Education helps in broadening one's mind. It removes superstitious beliefs. Education helps in increasing awareness of surroundings, social and political issues. It develops wisdom. So what education will do? If an educated person will have a broad mind, okay, so he removes superstitious belief. What does superstitious means? Mooda nambikaigal. Okay, so all these things he will not have. Educated person will not have all these superstitious beliefs. Education helps in increase awareness of surroundings, social and political issues. It develops wisdom also. What is wisdom? Able to know what is right and wrong. All these things, a person who is educated with all the importance of educated, what we will be? He will be a very wisdom person. He will know what is right and what is wrong and he will act accordingly. So education is very 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 important for all human beings. So not only able to read and write is education. So knowing, analyzing the reason, building our skills and knowing what is right and wrong and be having all good moral values is also included in education. Okay, so an educated person will have a broad mind. He will not believe in superstitious things, and he will be having the awareness of surroundings, political and even social issues, and he will be a well wisdom person. Okay, this is about education. Okay, so you can see the picture. Who is he? Is Swami Vivekananda. So what he said, Swami Vivekananda is best known for a speech which began with the word, Sisters and Brothers of America, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. So what does that manifestation means? வெளிப்படுத்துற. We have to show. Already a man will be a man. He will be having some qualities. So education, what education will do? Education will bring out his talent. Already a man will be having so many talents and so many hidden things with them. What education will do? Education will bring out his talent and show to the world that how smart and how good he is. That is all about education. Okay, so education ஓட வேலை என்ன? ஒரு மனுஷனுக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற டேலண்ட்டை, அவனோட பிஹேவியரை, அவனோட கேரக்டரை வந்து வெளிப்படுத்தி எல்லாருக்கும் காமிக்கிறது தான் education. Okay, so we'll read once again. Swami Vivekananda is best known for his speech which began with the word, Sisters and Brothers of America, education is the manifestation of the perfection already in man. What is the meaning for manifestation? Show. Show in Tamil what we will say, வெளிப்படுத்துறது. Okay, so education is the showing, or we can show how smart, how perfect we are. Like that is the use of education. Okay, so you can see from the picture in olden days how education was. So in olden days what people, now you all are coming to school and reading, no, like that in olden days there will be Gurukulam. In that the students will go and stay for years. There itself they will stay for years and they will learn all the good values and morals. Okay, so Gurukulam is the system of education that was practiced in ancient India. Guru means what? Teacher, and the Shishya means what? Student. You all know that. Live in ashramam. They live in ashram and they will learn all the good values, moral things from their teacher and they will go back. So that is called as Gurukulam. Gurukulam is a system of education that was practiced in ancient India. Guru means teacher and the Shishya means student, lived in ashram. So this is a picture of how Guru, teacher, is teaching the Shishya, students, okay, in an ashram. Okay, okay, fine. So we studied about today. We studied about what is education and what is the importance of education. So what is education? What education will do? So education is important for all the people as well as the nation. So education is the first development of child's development. Okay, and we studied about importance of education. So what are the importance of education? Analyze the reason, build skills to live, know what is right and what is wrong, and lead a moral life. Okay, and if a person is educated, he will be having a broad mind. It will remove the superstitious belief. It will increase the awareness of social, political and about the surroundings, and it will develop wisdom. So these are the things we studied today. Okay, rest of the thing we will continue in the next class. Okay children, take care. Thank you. Bye.